Good day, friends, fans and followers of Fig Agro Lab Asia around the world. We have another haul of Airlayers today, and it's my wife's request that I am a little cheerful, sanguine when I do my videos, but this is how I am. So presenting here a little plant, Amarillo Redondo. You can check out the roots, the lovely noodle roots. And here is one of my favorites, Black Bethlehem. Okay, lovely roots here. There's a little figlet which we will remove. Okay, this is Violetta from Francisco. Verte Branco Gigante. The pictures of all of these figs, these cultivars, are available on our Fig Agro Lab Asia Facebook page. Check out these roots from Pasulita. Probably very few people growing Pasulita these days. This is Mongol. Again, not many have this. This is Del Monte, a fantastic fig, and a friend of mine who grows this in the USA has shared its pictures with me. I will attach it with this post. Here we have Love, featured enough. This is the pronunciation, and I will just show you the roots. This is Verdesca Nucho. And this one here in my hand is lovely Verdesca. The picture of the fig is available on our FB page, and it's a fantastic fig. Good old Flanders. Good old Purple Jordan does reasonably well in our climate, a very wet climate. Old Little Hunt. And here's another big one, Mola Vermella, which does very well. Here are the roots all around. Signing out, Dr. Fig, Fig Agro Lab Asia.